So if you've ever thought about working from home, you've probably seen there's a ton of websites out there offering work from home jobs. But we don't know what's real, what's fake, what's a scam, what's legit, some too good to be true. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 real work from home jobs. And I started with about 1, 2, 3, 10, 12, 20, 30. This whole page right here, 30 websites that claim their work from home jobs. Out of 30, 25 were pretty sketchy. Welcome to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. So before we begin, I just want to say thank you to everybody who subbed to the channel so far. As you may or may not know, I make no money off of YouTube as of this time. So if you want to help support the channel, I have links for everything we're covering today in the description. You can also apply for a new bank account and receive $100 just by setting up direct deposit, or apply for a new credit card with no impact to your credit score. Enough of that, let's get back into the video. So 30 websites, and we wound up with 5. So let's get into the first website. That's a real work from home website. So the first one is called prolific.com. And with Prolific, you can do AI training tasks along with paid surveys. They do have a good Trustpilot score, and Reddit users have also had good results with Prolific. So you're gonna get paid a minimum of $8 an hour and instant cash payouts after your first 4 payments. Some studies even pay $20 an hour with additional bonuses, but pay really depends on the study you sign up for. One of the downsides to Prolific is, as of this video, there's a waiting list of about 2 months. The next one is called User Interview. So what User Interviews does is connect companies to participants. So this survey platform is not like Prolific, which is really dedicated to AI. With User Interviews, they have companies like Pinterest, Spotify, Adobe, Wayfair, and more. So whenever a company is rolling out a new product, or maybe starting a new website, or changing the layout of their website, they want to market test that first, right? So they'll go to somewhere like User Interviews and get some actual feedback from real customers. This is another website that has an excellent Trustpilot score of 4.6. One person commenting the best online focus group format. Another person commenting a total legit experience. And I read the whole thing to see if that was sarcastic, but no. Another comment says, fun to participate with User Interview, a beyond thankful user. So when you go to userinterviews.com, all the way at the top left, you're gonna go to participants. Right here, you're gonna go sign up to participate. So all you need to do here is to sign up, browse the studies you're interested in, apply for those studies, and then they'll let you know if you qualify. If you do qualify, you confirm your time slot, participate, and get paid. It's that simple. The next one is called Bold Business, and they have a lot of different positions available, but the one we're looking at right now is a customer service rep. So with this platform, you're not going to be doing any studies, any surveys, any product testing. So what Bold Business does is help existing companies with analytics and digital marketing, but you won't be doing any of that. What we're going to be looking at today is a customer service rep job. So we're going to go all the way to the top where it says careers. So these are all the positions available. And if I scroll through all these positions here, they're all remote, but we're going to focus on customer service representative because that's one of the lowest points of entry. So the only qualifications you need is to be fluent in English, available 40 hours a week starting immediately, experience in an outbound call center, inside sales experience, or related experience. Now, even if you're not experienced in the outbound call center, it really doesn't matter because they provide training. So if you don't want to apply for the customer service job, there's a whole bunch of other jobs you can apply for here. So look, there's a lot of mixed reviews online about Bold Business. And one of the reviews that I saw is somebody getting scammed by Bold Business. But turns out what it was is somebody was posing to be Bold Business on Indeed.com and scammed this person out of some money. So it wasn't Bold Business, it was somebody scamming. But one of the things I found kind of odd is that they don't have a Trustpilot score at all. So I went to Scam Advisor to check the website, and they have a trust score of 100 out of 100, which is a good thing. So if you decide to apply for a job with Bold Business, you're going to want to make sure that you apply through the Bold Business website. Don't go through Indeed or any third-party website. Next is InfoCision. InfoCision is a contract call center website. So here you'd be doing things like inbound and outbound sales, customer service and care, business to business calls, lead generation, direct to consumer marketing, even chat, SMS, email, and social media support. So InfoCision isn't available in all states, but they're available in most. So the only requirements here is that you have a PC or laptop. So I'm not going to go through all the specifics, but you are going to want to have a pretty relatively new PC or laptop, something with the latest Windows and maybe an Intel Core i3 or higher. Really, that's pretty much about it. So you want to go up top to careers, click work at home. So we're gonna go here to apply now, and it's gonna give you all the different states where you can apply for a work from home call center representative job. And according to Indeed.com, the average salary is $19.06 an hour. I'm really not sure why these guys don't have a Trustpilot score either, but let's check the Scam Advisor. So Scam Advisor gives it a trust score of 100 out of 100. You always wanna double check because not every business, not every website is gonna be on Trustpilot. So you just wanna make sure if it's not there, go to Scam Advisor. You can check it out there. Okay, clean bill of health here. Let's go to the next one. Next and last is Embrace Pet Insurance, and they currently have a lot of remote job openings. Now, one of the things that sets Embrace Pet Insurance aside from some of these other websites that I've talked about here is that you can consider this a full-time position, an actual job, an actual 9 to 5, versus another website where you're making side money, where it's your side hustle. So you're gonna wanna scroll all the way to the bottom, click on careers. So they have benefits like 401k with employee contributions, work from home opportunities, pet insurance discounts and reimbursements up to $100 a month, annual bonus program, and a lot more. So these are the current openings they have right now at Embrace Pet Insurance. And we're gonna go to customer service rep. So see, this is what I mean that this can be a standalone job. So you can make about $40,000 a year working for Embrace Pet Insurance as a customer service rep. Full-time job, 8-hour shift, overtime and weekends as needed, and it's a remote position. This job is probably gonna be one of the first ones that I'd apply for because it's not gonna last long. I don't know how many positions they have available for customer service reps, but I'd imagine it's only a handful. And they do have some other jobs available which are also remote, but the customer service rep job is an entry-level job that just about anyone will qualify for. So depending on when you watch this video, some of these jobs are no longer available. For example, if you're watching this a year down the line, even 6 months down the line, some of these jobs might not be available anymore. So you're gonna wanna subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos like this. If you want any type of work from home job, if you're looking for real legit work from home jobs, also personal loans with no credit score, rebuilding your credit, side hustle ideas, business credit, just about anything having to do with money. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video. Links for everything we covered today in the description. See you next time.